That is a blue iguana. I guess it's a baby. Welcome to Explorations and Travel Experiences, MAC. This is the third one I saw on this nature trail. The first one I almost stepped on, and then there was a rather large one on the side of the trail, and it ran into the bushes as soon as I started walking by. And this one is just scampering along here. Okay, I'm trying to pass it without scaring it. All right. I just wanted it to keep doing what it was doing as I passed by. I think this might be the end of the nature trail. Garden and lake. Yes, woodland trail. That's where I just finished. It was like a loop type of thing. And yeah, I saw 3 blue iguanas on this trail. So yeah, you can see them out here. Okay, I am now going to go to the, what did it say? Garden and lake. Okay, ciao for now.